Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps to your Firestick in 2025. And without any further ado, the first step you need to take is getting the app code downloader. So to get it, we need to go to search on a Fire TV Stick device, open a search bar and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see now, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it. And here's this orange app, which you need to get to your device. But then, after you actually got the downloader, it's not ready to use yet, because we also need to set it up. So to set up the downloader, let's go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and open My Fire TV. And now from here, you need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go into install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet for you, and not exactly only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, open it up, wait a moment until it loads, and there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost only a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Ireland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, locate Downloader, and let's open it now. So we open Downloader, and from here, what you gotta do is use this search bar to download the apps to your Fire Stick by entering the codes. So the first code to get the first application is gonna be 863078. Once again, 863078. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has successfully started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you just click install and wait a bit until the installation is fully finished. And then don't click on open yet. Instead, press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, open it, wait a moment until it loads, and now here at the bottom you will find the first, but of course not the last new app, which we got for you today. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the Home button on your remote. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. And we got the first app for you now, and it's time to get back to the downloader to get even more amazing apps on your Firestick. So just go to Home, erase that code, and it's time to enter another one now. And the second code will be 647190. Once again, 647190. That's the second code. Click go, and now soon we'll start downloading the second application for you today. And that's right, the download of the second app also started. Literally took us only a couple of seconds. Then we make sure to install it. And after that, of course, click done and delete the unneeded files from your device. And there's actually one more code, which I also have for you today, which will be 307888. So 307888. That's the code for the third application. Let's also download it to your Firestick now. So as you can see, the download of the third app also started. Then you install it, just like with the first 2 applications, and then click done to delete the unnecessary files from your device. After that, let's go and open up the list of applications. Here we go. And there is the third and second apps. So this one was third, and now there's the second. We put them all to the front for easy access, in case of if you need it, of course. So enjoy the apps and don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay private online when doing such stuff. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.